On this tutorial, I will be explaining about how to bring your work to cloud rendering service Renderpool. Let me explain about Renderpool first. Renderpool is a cloud rendering service which will render your animation fast and efficient. This way, you will save your time on rendering. This is currently supported on Autodesk Maya, Autodesk 3ds Max, Blender, and any ProRender plugin that has RPR file export feature. First, you will need to make sure your output settings are in correct setting, resolution, and your start and end frame, and render camera. Once these settings are done, go to File, Export, Radeon ProRender RPR file. Export windows will pop up. Enter the start and end frame. Click on Sequence Export and export will start. If you check the exported file path, there will be multiple data inside. The RPR files are the geometry data per frame, and RPRSB is the texture and material cache. If you're exporting one frame, I would recommend using single file export to avoid exporting RPR and RPRSB separate files. After export, archive the RPR and RPRSB files into one zip. That is all you need to do to prepare your work. On how to use Renderpool, we have this part as a different video, so please take a look at the video in the description.